Hello, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with the baddies in the bag, and today we have $100 that we'll be stuffing into sinking funds. Yes baby, it's a low income stuffing today because your girl's week or month just got shaken up a little bit. So girl, got to do what we gotta do. Today's positive quote is coming from the box, and it reads, looking on the bright side. Always look at the bright side. Sometimes things happen to us in life and we wonder, why does this have to happen to me? And you get all depressed and you be like, you lose confidence and whatever the case may be. But girl, always look on the bright side. I always try to look on the bright side of things. I always feel like there is a reason for everything. So I'm not even gonna stress myself. This happened, oh well, it was supposed to either teach me a lesson or maybe I wasn't supposed to go. I'm that type of girl. I don't really try to, like leech onto the negative. I try to look at the brighter side. So look at the brighter side. As I said, today we are stuffing $100 into sinking funds. Let us stretch this 100. It's another stretching of the hundreds again. So let's go ahead and get this 100 stretched. So let's start off by counting the cash. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have $80 worth of 10s, and we have 5, 10, 15, 20. $20 worth of 5s. So let's grab our sinking funds binder and get into the stuffing. Do y'all like my binders? Y'all, I am like so in love with my binders. Like, I feel like they're so cute. I did such a great job and I am in love. Look at this. Sinking funds. So let's get into the stuffing. We're gonna start with Christmas. I'm going to pull out my budget planner so I can know where I'm putting what. Cause girl, this is what I'm starting to do now. So here goes week 3, stuffing for sinking funds. Let's get into it. We're starting with Christmas, and for Christmas we are putting $10 in today. So we won't be scratching anything off of our Christmas bundle that's in here because ain't nothing on there 10 bucks. And because today we're doing a little low income stuffing, we're just adding $10. And when we add $10 to Christmas, we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have $215 inside of Christmas. Not bad. By the time Christmas gets here, we should have like 400 in here. What y'all think? We'll see. For birthdays, my daughter's birthday is coming up. Her registry link is in the description if you guys want to purchase something for her. We are adding $10 to birthdays. So for her birthday, we're going to do like a little party. It's either going to be at the park or Chuck E. Cheese. I'm not sure as yet. But either way, I should have enough money here to go half and half with my boyfriend on this birthday. So let's see how much money we have in birthdays so far. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. $105. Not bad. Not bad at all. Next, we're moving on to my daughter's envelope, which is empty right now because I just got her some diapers, wipes, etc. So we're starting over on her envelope and we're adding $5. Can y'all hear in the background? And of course, once again, coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. Black Friday, we are adding $10, which is coming up right around the corner. Let's add our $10 and see how much we have so far. So by adding our $10 to Black Friday, we now have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. So we have 175 in Black Friday. Not bad, y'all. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. Maybe some clothes or something, but we'll see. Moving on, car maintenance. We did do a little maintenance on our car. And by adding our $5, we now have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. And moving right along, we have my birthday, which is coming up soon. My birthday is in January. And for my birthday today, we are adding $10 So we have now 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. $60 in my birthday. Moving right along, we have tolls. We're adding $5 to tolls. And by adding our $5 to tolls, we now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Next, we have my mommy. I just ordered some stuff for her. So we only have $20 in our envelope, and we're going to be adding a $5 in our envelope today, which makes it $25. Next, we have date night. We're adding $10 to date night. And now we have 40 in date night. We could go watch a movie. We could go watch a movie, or we could do like a solo date, you know. Vacation, we are adding $10 to vacation. Y'all remember we emptied out vacation to go on our Las Vegas trip. So for vacation, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. No, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, 60. Huh. I thought that was 65 for a minute. Next up, we have self-care. And for self-care, y'all remember I have a baby shower to go to this Sunday. So we are adding $20 to self-care. I need to get an outfit, and I'm going to need my nails done. So for self-care, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30. $80 of that $130 is for my nails. And I got to get my toes polished. And I gotta get a little cute outfit. So that's basically the stuffing for sinking funds, just adding $100 into our sinking funds binder. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And you know your girl always keep it real with y'all. So our little $100, we just made a stretch. We stretched it like a rubber band. Y'all know what we do around here. So that's the stuffing for today. I hope you guys are having a great week. And I will see y'all in the next video.